Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So let's start the video. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide chat on WhatsApp. So if you are looking for how to hide chats on WhatsApp, this video is for you. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the next video. So let's start the video. Now you have to go to your WhatsApp account. After going to your WhatsApp app, you have to search for the people that you want to hide chat with. After selecting, now I'm going to my WhatsApp account. You see I have a privacy because this is a practical video, so that's why I hide all the content. Hope so you understand this. So now you have to go to select a person number or a person that you want to hide chat with. After selecting here, I'm selecting chat. Now you have to go to the profile, and after here you can see this is a group that I want to hide. Now you see there's a lot of options appear on a screen. I have to the hide to the content. Now you scroll down and down here you can see on a screen there is an option of lock chat upper disappearing messages. You have to press on lock chat. So this is the today's topic we are talking about, like how to hide chat, lock chat on your WhatsApp on your iPhone mobile. So this is the video. So you have to touch on press on that. After pressing here you can see keep this chat locked and hidden, like your chat will be hide and locked. You have after any time you want to open the chat, it will require password or your face ID. If you're an iPhone user, so it will require a face ID, so you can easily open your account, like you can see the messages and all that. After that, so hope so friend you want enjoy this video. This is a very informative video for the person who want to hide this chat, his chat or her chat with anyone else. So don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the more updates.